In this video, we'll demonstrate how to optimize the battery to save battery life on the iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Optimizing your iPhone 15's battery life is crucial for ensuring a longer-lasting device. Follow these simple steps to efficiently manage your battery usage and enhance your iPhone experience. Navigate to Settings, then click on General, and there, tap on Background App Refresh. Toggle off unnecessary apps that you don't use often. This prevents your phone from refreshing unnecessary apps, allowing your iPhone to allocate resources to essential apps only. This smart management helps conserve battery life significantly. In Settings, under Display and Brightness, enable Dark Mode. This feature switches the background color from light to dark, reducing the brightness of the screen and ultimately saving battery power. Dark mode not only enhances visual comfort, but also optimizes energy consumption. Scroll down on the Display and Brightness settings to find the Raise to Wake option. If it's turned on, consider turning it off. This feature can inadvertently wake your iPhone when moved, contributing to unnecessary battery drain. By disabling it, you prevent your device from waking up when not needed, conserving battery life. In Settings, navigate to Accessibility, and then select Motion and toggle on Reduce Motion. This feature turns off dynamic elements like parallax, app icons, and system animations, reducing the load on the CPU and graphic chip. While not officially confirmed by Apple, users have reported improved battery life. Consider combining this with Low Power Mode for even greater efficiency. Under Accessibility, tap on Display. You will find Auto Brightness there. Just turn it on. This feature automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on ambient light conditions. This not only enhances visibility, but also conserves battery power by minimizing the energy required for a brighter display. In Settings, go to Battery and activate Low Power Mode when needed. This mode reduces or disables power-consuming features, such as screen brightness and automatic downloads, extending the time your iPhone can go without needing a charge. Be aware that some functions may take longer to update or complete in low-power mode. By incorporating these tips into your daily iPhone usage, you can effectively optimize battery life, ensuring your device stays powered when you need it most. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.